20 rounds.
I got the Maxim buttstock on it. Right now it's got an H1 buffer in it. I think I'm going to change it out to a H2 buffer, but we'll see. The titanium bolt at this point with this buffer, it was a complete failure. So I've gone back to a fail 0 bolt, full auto bolts for the weight, and we're going to see how she does. All right. She did good. Well, I think she did good. I'm gonna sometime put the H2 buffer in it, and I may go back and try the titanium bolt again, but right now it's running like clockwork with the fail 0 bolt, and it's about 5 ounces more than the other bolt. So I don't know. Right now I'm going to leave it like it is, I think. Hit the chain or something.
We weren't even watching.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to run 2 different loads through this rifle. I'm going to run 168 grain loads, and I'm going to run 110 grain loads. We're going to see and check and make sure she's ejecting properly. Have no problem. Like I said, the titanium bolt was too light. It was unlocking too early or something, but it would double feed just about every time. So that was a no-go. So right now we're going to try 168 and 110 grain with a fail 0 bolt and the Maxim buffer and spring. That worked pretty good. These 110 grain. And I hit the chain again. Okay, so right now I got a good load and a good, right now I think I got it timed pretty good. So, we'll see.